Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Amos in Motion and it's another episode. I know it's been quite some time since I started my video from up here. It's quite windy. I don't know if you will be able to hear me, but yeah, I'm here up at the rooftop and the breeze that is getting me on this side, it's amazing guys. So my back there you can see a highway. Let me turn the camera and show you this. Look at that highway. It's a very busy highway and looks so beautiful. Look at that. Looks so beautiful. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me with this wind. It's quite windy up here, but look at that. Look at that guys. Wow. Yeah, these are my views from my apartment here. And it rained yesterday like crazy, and that field there normally has no water, but I can see today there's a lot of water on the fields. It has been flooding here in Nairobi like crazy, but you know, God keeps on protecting us. And yeah, but yesterday it rained a lot and it flooded in Nairobi. It has been flooding most parts or most days of this month. We have been experiencing a lot of flooding in the city, especially in the central business district, and you know, some regions also outside the city. So you can see here it almost flooded yesterday. Look at the water right there at that field. So that is it guys. Today what I'm going to do, I want to visit one of the biggest malls we have around here. So that's what I'm going to do, visit the mall and show you around. So come with me guys. Alright, I don't know if I should use the stairs going down, though this is the 9th floor. So walking stairs down this place is not a joke. That's me right there. That's me in there. Let's go downstairs. Look at the view from this point here. That's outside. Those are the neighbors. A lot of apartments in our area here. So let me keep going down. Today I just decided to use the stairs to walk from up at the rooftop to the ground floor. So let me keep going. Yeah, that's me guys. Going downstairs also, it's a good way to exercise, you know. Most of the time we are indoors, we are at work, we don't walk or jog around, we don't exercise, we have no time for the gym. So also going up and down these stairs sometimes it's a good way to exercise. Yeah, that's why sometimes I do this. Yeah, but this is my first time to walk downstairs on camera. So let me go guys, let me go. Sometimes I go up also. Yeah, it's a nice way to exercise. You can see the view from here. It's now we are getting to the lower areas. My neighbor there has a lot of trees on his balcony. A lot of them. That's my balcony guys. It's looking messy kinda, but not so bad. It's clean. I'm on the first floor finally, and just like that I got to the ground floor right here. This is the ground floor. You can see the gate is right there, but I'm going to use this small gate here to go out. Right here, right here. I use biometrics to access this place. Guys, so finally I'm here. I'm almost getting to the mall that I intended to go to, and there's an open market around this place, especially on Sundays. So a lot of guys selling second-hand clothes, mostly second-hand items, shoes and all that. You can see it's a very busy market, and a lot of people around the area now that today is on a Sunday. See, it rained yesterday very bad, and there's water at some points along the road. Look at this, a lot of people doing street photography, and look at these paintings you can buy and hang, you know, rather, and then hang, you know, on your house.
Hata wa 28GB ukitaka bado tuko nayo, na tunakupatia kwa special offer. Yani ni offer tuko nayo. Vile vile ukumbuke hizi simu ambazo tunakupatia ni dual SIM card. Yani ni za line mbili na unaweza tumia na line moja.
You need to cross to this other side. That's the mall that I intend to go in. I don't know if they allow filming, but let me try. So guys, finally I'm in this mall. It's called the TRM, Thika Road Mall. Look at how big it looks. Let me turn the camera. It's a very huge mall. Look at that. Looking beautiful. Look at that. Huh? Guys, so I wanted to start this part of the video from the rooftop, but it's crazily windy up there and you cannot be able to hear me at all. So guys, welcome to my channel. If you are joining this video from this part of the video because I'm going to premiere the video, welcome, and watch the video from the start. So actually guys, I want to give you an update what happened. So yesterday I went to the one of the biggest malls we have here in Nairobi. I wanted to showcase and like make a video, show you how the mall looks like, what's good in the mall and all that, but unfortunately they could not allow me to film. Yeah, they could not allow me to make a video in the mall. So most of the malls here, I just came to realize that most of the malls here in Kenya, actually they don't allow photography and filming. So unfortunately I couldn't showcase what I wanted to showcase. But again guys, there's plenty to see from this channel, so keep tuned, subscribe, like the video. Let me take you to, I want to go outside and buy a few stuff, so come with me. I'm walking downstairs. I told you guys I normally do this regularly. It's getting dark actually, that's why I'm standing here when talking, because there's a bit of some light coming from this window here. Yeah, the lights are not on yet on the stairs, so it's quite dark. So good people, finally I'm out here. I'm headed to the shops and it's quite windy this evening actually. Just trying to, you know, walk around and show you. Look at the apartments behind me. This place is full of apartments. This side, look, this side, a lot of apartments, but the road here is not that good. So let me turn the camera and show you how this looks like. The road is not that good. It's a rough road, so dusty. So look ahead of me, a lot of apartments. This side, look at that. All these are residential apartments, so we have a number of people living around this place. Okay, yeah, and some actually don't even have a parking place, so people park their cars along the road like this. You see, like this is someone who is living in this apartment right here, parking their car outside here. So most of the time, come here late in the evening, you get a lot of cars parked out here. So this is how it looks like. It's actually getting late. It's 6 p.m. here in Nairobi, Kenya. Look at that. A lot of places here have these tall residential apartments. Others are under construction, like that one. Guys, it's getting late actually. Look at how it looks right now in the camera. You might think actually it's early in the morning, because most of the time when it's early in the morning actually looks something close to this, but it's in the evening. So we are completing the day, and yeah, I'm here walking in this dusty rough road here. Look at the apartments on this side. So I'm still heading to a specific shop where I actually buy milk. This guy is walking with a whole shop. Yeah, he's selling duvet and pillows, you know, and he's walking with them around the place like that. Actually, most hawkers here in Kenya, that's what they do. That's how they live, you know, walking around with the items or commodities that they sell. Yeah, like that guy there. So most hawkers, especially if you go to town, these big towns, this is what you see along the streets. Yeah, so let me use this road here to go to a location where I'll be buying or purchasing some items. All right, okay, it's getting dark, so I'll be ending my video from this area because actually it's getting dark, and you might not be able to see clearly, yeah, because of darkness. Look at that. You see, lights are, people are switching on the lights from different apartments. Yeah, it's really getting dark. So guys, thank you so much for always coming in and tuning in to watch my videos. So I'll be ending this video from this point, and I want to thank you all for your support. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for always watching, and thank you for always, you know, sharing, for those who are sharing, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye guys.